Hello and welcome. I'm so excited to welcome you to my channel as well as website, www.naturallyhealthymama.ca. So whether you're dreaming of becoming a mama, are already expecting, or cuddling with your little one at home, your journey into motherhood, self-care, as well as baby wellness begins right here. Now, my personal path to motherhood was not easy. After nearly a decade of fertility challenges, I was actually able to heal myself naturally, and I went on to give birth to a strong, healthy baby, despite literally all odds stacked against me. Now, if sharing my experience can help even one of you achieve your dream of parenthood, then creating these videos will have fulfilled my greatest purpose. Now, if you're currently pregnant or have a little one at home, be sure to visit my website. You'll actually find great baby books, just like this one right here, that can help teach your baby sign language and resources for hypnobirthing to support you during pregnancy. Now, my particular books are digital, so along with the storyline comes visual instructions for each sign. Thank you so much for literally being here. I'd love for you to join our Naturally Healthy Mama community by hitting that subscribe button. With love, Naturally Healthy Mama.